is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something from Japan. I'm doing this over 2 days. This is a combo set that came from Ramen Trunk. Go check out ramentrunk.com. Use the coupon code RamenRaider20 off. The 20 is numbers. And you'll get 20% off and all that cool stuff. So today we're doing this one, and I can't remember what it's. They're both miso. They're both from Sapporo, Japan. And then there's 2 of each, and this is like super fancy, folks. And then you got, so we're doing this one. What do you think of that? Yeah. So this is fancy miso, and you'll know what it is from the title. Yeah, it starts with a K. It says it's legendary. Pretty auspicious. But yeah. So we got base, and we got noodle. So how was you guys this weekend? Hopefully eventful in a good way. On Friday, as threatened, I finally went to the doctor and found out what happened after all my walking and stuff. By the way, the noodles cook for 4 minutes, and that's what they are going to start doing right now. There they go. So yeah, I went to the doctor. Upshot is the whole cholesterol thing, I'm good on that, and I lost 65 pounds, so it's a beginning. That's the way I look at it. I got a ways to go. It's fun. So yeah. Oh, don't you even think of boiling over. I'm tending the noodles. It hasn't been 10 or 20 episodes yet. I can't just like start dropping F-bombs on you guys. Once every 20, that's kind of my requirement. And then there's an episode where I'll just like let loose and I'll cuss like a cusser. Yeah. So what do you do with this? Well, we cook these noodles for 4 minutes and then drain them. With this, though, you take this stuff, and remember, what do? Yes, we need our sachets of goo. That's an important thing to do. And you should make a little rhyme out of it. You could say, every day, what I do is need my little sachets of goo. Doesn't that sound like fun? You could say that all day, every day. If you want, I mean. And then you could say, or people might ask, why do you keep saying that? That's really weird. Say, there's this dude on the internet told me I should say that. Like, noodle guy. Like, oh, noodle guy, okay. So yeah, we went and did our, what do they call it, boot scooting. We did that today. 6 miles this morning. Speaking of miles, Tim and his mama ain't feeling so good, so although hopefully they feel better at the point that you're seeing this, because that will be like a month from now. If they're still not feeling well, please make a check or cash payable to the, oh man, Miles and Kit still don't feel good. P.O. Box, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, this is how I like to do the broth because it's like easy. It's done. Voila. So we'll put that aside in the aside place. Noodles have 40 seconds left, which gives us pause to look at this frickin' stack today. It never ends. Next episode, I'll rant about Safeway's wonderful handling of mung bean sprouts. I wish it was 20 episodes out because I would totally drop F-bombs about that. Trash. What else we got here? Oh, we're down to 19 seconds. Can we crack 2 more of these open in 19 seconds? I don't think we can. This one's being stubborn. And nothing. Well, you get 2. Alright, noodles done. That's it. Yeah, we're good. 4 minutes. Let's drain them. One thing I don't like about any of these Japanese noodles, they always stick. And it's like, is that just me? Maybe it's just me. Probably just me. They always seem to stick to the bottom of my pot. I don't know why. But anyways, it's time for the first time this week to give Rotato a big hello. Hello, Rotato. Let me remove this unimportant stuff out of your way so your glorious rotational power can give us all happiness and jejun. Alright. No, don't be rotating yet. It's not. Sorry about that, folks. Rotato is really hot out of the gate and wanted to be doing its rotational universal pull. So let's give this broth a quick extra stir. Alright, let's give this a quick once over. Turn that down a slight bit. The noodle. Oh yeah. The broth. Wow. Astonishing. Quite good. I'm going to go with a couple. You know, usually I like to put a little bit of corn on this stuff, but I didn't get corn. I was so like unhappy about my thing with the mung bean sprouts at Safeway this morning that like literally made my visit to the grocery store a half hour longer. Think about the lack of satisfaction I have in relating that information to you. I mean, when we go out and we walk, we mean to be moving, not standing there waiting for mung bean sprouts to appear that only have like 3 good days on them, and they say, "Oh, just arrived this morning." Woo! Yeah, BS I call. It's like Salad Cosmo. If you're listening, send them an email. Is that okay? Am I gonna get indicted for saying that? I think that's okay, but I'm not telling them to like go do bad things. Just send them an email. Say, dude, what's the deal? Use some shichimi on this. Why not? And if I was gonna pick a seed style, I'm gonna go with the light sesame. I think the next one that I'm doing is spicier, maybe a little peppery. So I'll use a little bit of. Ooh, look at that, delicate. All right, you fools ready? Let's join Rotato in a plaid rotation. Let's see if, oh, come on. All right, ready, set, go. Let's change the music. I'm not keen on this one. There you go. All right. Alright, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Yeah, these are pretty fancy stuff, so yeah, if you see it, get it. Alright, have a good one. Bye.